How to run Instagram giveaways using ManyChat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Instagram giveaways using ManyChat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on ManyChat, you can also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is ManyChat, it is a messaging automation platform designed to help businesses engage, support, and convert customers through chat-based channels such as Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and SMS, and it allows users to build automated conversations using a visual flow builder enabling tasks like lead generation, customer support, appointment booking, and marketing follow-up without requiring advanced technical skills. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the sign in button on the top right corner or the get started button. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed on the page where you can simply sign in your account on ManyChat. But in here, just use the Instagram since we're trying to make for Instagram giveaways. Then from here, this is basically what the homepage looks like of ManyChat. It will show you in the left side panel the option to navigate. But now to start creating an Instagram giveaways, just simply go to the automation section in here on the left side panel. But you can also access the contacts in here if you want to import the list of your contacts. And now to proceed, just go to the automation section, and to create a new one, just click the new automation on the top right corner or below. Then from here, we have the option to choose either the basic automation, the sequences, but just choose my automation option right here. Then click new automation once more. Then on this pop-up window, you can choose the right template for you. If your old templates, it will show you some of the recommended template in here. You will also choose by goal, such as to grow your followers on Instagram, engage your audience, drive traffic, or even trigger to post or reel comment, DM, story reply, and even for live comment. But in here, in all of this, all you need to do is simply select here this run a giveaway. But you can also start exploring or start searching using the search bar giveaway, and in here just choose the result. Alternatively, you could also click by trigger and it will show you a variety of options to use. But in here, all you need to do is simply choose here this run a giveaway button right here. And by simply clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply set up the template. To do so, just click this one, double clicking on it, and click Setup Template button to proceed. And after doing that, the next thing that you need to do, or you will be directed in here, is to simply choose which post or reel do you want to use in automation. But I'm going to choose a random one, which is for example this one. Once done, you could also click all posts or reels, or even click the continue button to be directed on the step 2, which is to start your DM automation, or our giveaway right here. It will show us in here that when a customer try to comment this specific keywords, they will receive or they will win the giveaway. You can also enter more than one keywords depending on your preferences, or even comments exclude in these keywords. But if you want any comment, just click this one. But at this point, I'm just going to use the specific keywords. I'm going to do the same process of entering the keyword, which is never better in here. So that is basically the keyword we're looking for. Now this one is, would you like to set up public reply in the feed? This basically is some of the reply that you can use, or you could also create a new reply if you want to. But this is just only a random multiple replies. Now on the right side panel, it will show us in here the flow of the data when a customer or the viewer try to answer some of the following question in our chatbot automation. It will show us in here the flow, which is the trigger words or the keywords, and the public reply after that. And if you want to check what it looks like when a viewer try to see all of these messages, just kind of click this one. This is basically what the giveaway automation looks like. So that is basically what the viewers will see. And upon clicking any of the part in here, such as this condition, you can also add more condition, including to only include in a giveaway all of the people that follows your Instagram account. And you can even add more condition if you want to, but that is just only an example. Moving on, you could also click in here. If the customers say yes or no, this basically the possible reply or the possible response that they will get upon interacting in this chatbot, where we can add even an image, text, a video, and any kind of display right here. But once done, to see what the viewers will see once they win the giveaway, this is basically what they will see upon receiving the congratulations for the lucky winner right here. And after that, they will be able to receive the link where they can get the giveaway promo or product. So if you're not done, you can click set live button on the top right corner or click the preview to see what it looks like. But overall, that's just basically how you can run Instagram giveaways using ManyChat. Thank you.